Hello everyone, this is P, and today the Crate 0.3.2 update just dropped, so there are some new added block, and I will be going to show what is added, what item has added to the mod, and what new thing has just gone over there. So the first thing I want to show is this copper back tank. This is a block or armor piece that was added in this update. You can see that there's some summary for this thing, and it has a durability. And just if you want to charge pressure the air into this item, you need to have the basics energy system. For this I use the windmill because it's easy. And here if you put it down here, you will see that there is this particle effect, and this thing is depend on the speed of the contraction. So if you want to charge faster, you can just crank out the speed, and it will charge very fast. And what this block can use for is, there is two things that use this thing. So I will show you the first thing first. The first thing is this thing called potato cannon. As you can see, it just use the potato and potato. So if you normally doesn't have the sorry. So if you don't have anything, if you shoot it, it will just use durability. As you can see, it's durability use. So I hear because this is potato, so I summon a techno blade. So too short a pick, so it's pretty good for a weapon. But if you have this back tank, so I here have one that is free charge. So if you use this, use the air inside your backpack instead of the durability of the cannon, and it still do the same damage, so it's pretty good. And the other use for the back tank is for this. This is the diving helmet and diving boots. So if you wear this, you just like this, and you can go with this. You can just live underwater. You get quite a long time of the durability for the air tank, and the boots make you can swimming. So if I didn't wear boot, I can swim. But if I wear boot, I can swim, but I can walk on the ground. So it's pretty good. Put have back. First thing, the second thing they added is this. It is called a link controller. You can see I here has 6 Houston lamp. So if I use this, you see I using this, and if I press up, down, left, right, shift and space, all perspective will be presses on the thing. So you can see, and the reason is because it links the redstone link into this thing. So if you I switch right click, I can see everything that is configured in here. So it's according to this thing. So you can build some cool things with this, and if you put it on the lantern, you can use it like a normal controller, like, and just drag it to disable it. And there's this that just the new thing they added. They require a special crafting. It's called this. So you use the gold sheet, and with this process for the fight, with the sequence fight time, you can craft this. So if you want to install, I can show you a simple. You will need this cogwheel, large cogwheel, and iron nugget. So When I put this one, I put one cogwheel, and see it will start crafting. So because it for that it require 3 steps. So cogwheels first, then large cogwheel, and then iron nugget. The second one, and the iron nugget. And you pick up, you say incomplete precision mechanism, and the progress is how much. And it will tell you what to do next, like next deploy cogwheel, deploy last cogwheel, and iron nugget. So you just continue to do this. So this, 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 and this, and this. And see, if you successfully you craft this into this item, and this has some use. It used for the rotation speed controller, and this thing is replaced by this thing is replacing the integrated circuit. So no more integrated circuit. And there's other that also using this crafting system with the cogwheel. You see, using the GI can see the crafting that is required for this. So also, so if you want to automate this, it is possible for automation. Just that I created this, and it is kinda easy to understand using the filter to filter out the product, and everything else just go through a loop. So if I show you this, I am crafting the normal code view, so it only requires the button to craft. So I have this basic thing that is placed for infinite button use. So if I throw this, it will put the crafting and saw through and go through a loop because it hasn't go through the process. And the second, and then loop through again, and then a third one. You require 5 times because if you can see the recipe, it require sort of 4 times, not 5 times. It's 4 times. And the fourth time, also, and you see it crafted it, and you go to here. So here's this thing, and the other two things that I'm not sure if this is added last update or something, but there's something. So this thing here is the paprika bell. That is just normal bell, but made with better material. But if you have a soul fire, so here's a flint and steel and the soul sand. If you burn it, it will transfer into a special hunter bell. And this has special effect when you ring it or hold it in your hand. So I give you. So if you hold this, it will show which area can spawn the mob. So you can see that when hell or brain highlight nearby lightless spot on which hostile mobs can spawn. So if I burn a flint and steel, because that is light level, so it won't show the effect on nearby. If I go far enough, you can see here's the effect. Pretty good if you want to build a mob farm for it. And the last one, I am not sure if this is added recently or something, but there's this. It can allow for easy crafting. So if let's say I make the piston, and okay, if I like it will consume my material and craft piston, so you can craft this pretty easily. And that's for the stuff that is added in this small update. If you enjoy my video, you can consider to subscribe to me, and thanks for watching.